nalaman ko na sa Facebook na mayroong program about LSE. And then I already inquired sa secretary that time, sabi nila, I think that was around September. Sabi nila, close na yung program kasi puno na kami. So I have to wait for more than 2 years actually to enroll this program. Noong una kong nalaman kong program, kala ko para lang siyang simple na parang lecture, then natin pa ng ganyan. And then I found out na masyado pa lang deep yung kanyang concept na hindi ka lang mag-aaral, kailangan malaman mo rin yung tinatawag na konsepto paano i-apply yung leadership, yung social enterprise, yung financial management. So from there, nalaman ko na parang this program is hindi lang para malaman mo yung konsepto, pero at the same time, kailangan meron yung practical application. Though for me personally, meron akong mga minamanage na maliit na parang na related sa social enterprise sa Pilipinas. And kami ni Miss ko personally, mas nalaman namin na meron palang deeper na kailangan mong malaman into social entrepreneurship. And yung unang first module na initalan ko, doon ko nalaman na yung pagiging entrepreneur hindi siya risky. Kasi unang sinabi nila, di ba yung speaker natin, sabi niya, alam niyo kayong mga OFW, mas mas risk taker pa kayo baka sa mga social enterprise. Kasi unang-una, nagpunta kayo sa ibang bansa na hindi alam kung ano mangyayari. Number 2, pumasok ka sa isang, yung isang situation na hindi nyo alam kung kayo ba yung maging successful o hindi. And then, if you can see here, na natapos tayo sa ating course, so ibig sabihin, we came up with a solution na yung LSE program will be a good platform for us na we can continue yung ating pagiging OFW. Pero at the same time, meron tayong titingnan looking forward. Like, one of the possible option na titingnan natin is, habang nandito tayo, we start, formulating our business plan. Para pag-uwi natin, hindi lang tayo na OFW, former OFW, pero after na pagiging OFW natin, probably will become a social entrepreneur, or some of us here, nakinig ko na yung iba rito, meron na sariling business program na sinimulan. Well, for me personally, I was talking to one of the graduates dun sa batch 14, and we are formulating a simple parang events management na pwede namin simulan dito, aside from that. And of course, yung kay Madam, of course, yung aming isang, ano ba yun yung ating DAC program ba yun?
Nice DAC.
Oh, nice DAC. And the good thing about it, yung sinabi niya, Sis Dani, yung parang extension to our family, which is going to be a good program. So, let's hope na ma-maximize natin yung whatever we learn here at the same time ng ating family. And of course, as agent of change, hindi tayo titigil sa ating sarili lang. Hopefully, yung ating next batch na, anong batch na ba? 20-something na ba sa Dubai? Na our very own, mag-encourage tayo ng ating fellow OFW na mag-attend itong program. Because for me personally, it's a good program that I find it to be really interesting. But at the same time, we can use it for our personal, to our fellow kababayan, para pag-uwi natin, hindi lang tayo naging former OFW, but we became a different person after this program. So that's all. Okay, thank you.